Okay, I just want to show you guys a monopoly situation, and in this case it's going to be a monopolist making a supernormal profit. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is to add a average cost curve in. So let's slide an average cost curve in there, and remember the average cost curve, it's got to cut the MC curve at its minimum. So you can see around over there that AC curve has come down there and it's cut the marginal cost curve at its minimum. So that's the first thing I've got to put in. Now the next thing I need to do is, and you guys should know this now, is to identify the profit maximizing level of output for the producer. So in this case it's exactly the same as a perfect competitor, remember. So what we do is we find the position where marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue, and that is right there. Okay, I'm going to call that Qmax. So there's Qmax. Now, how do we find out the profit situation? Well, we do it in a very similar way that you saw for the perfect competitor. First thing we do is identify our costs. Now obviously our costs are going to be where the average cost curve, the point where the average cost curve coincides with the Qmax, with the level of output, with the quantity there, and we're going to label that, I think we were labeling that CE. And then we will you notice what I've done there is to run that dotted line straight through the point where MC is equal to MR and run right up to the demand curve, because that's the price that this monopoly is going to earn. So let's put that line in there, and that of course is going to be PE. Get that into place there. And you'll notice that once again the profit is calculated by multiplying PE times Qmax, that gives us the total revenue, and CE times Qmax gives us the total cost. As you can see, the price received is higher than the cost, so in this case it is going to be a profit. The region of profit is not that, but that. And that there is called a supernormal profit. There it is right there. Okay.